Hi everyone, this one is Nikon D80 camera. It's an old one, but we're going to fix this one. We changed the shutter. Okay, now we are going to assemble this one. Okay, so very easy to assemble a camera. Simply when you see the procedure you like, very easy to assemble a camera. Okay, so this unit is with mirror system. Okay, and there is a shutter. You see, this is the shutter. Okay, and this motor is working with both mirror and shutter. Okay, and there is a motor which autofocus the lens. You see, this motor will using for autofocus the D type lens. Okay, so we are going to assemble this one. Simply clean the old camera and fix this one. Be careful with wires, they should be in proper, come from a proper area. Okay, so there is a 6 screws, 2 is there and 2 is bottom of a main board. There's a 2 screws and 2 is small one, this here. So we are going to fix a screw, a big one, 4 big screws. We normally tighten the screw with cross direction. Screws and 2 screws for this area. Okay. Be careful when inserting a flex, it should be in properly fixed. Okay, so first this flex and then this strips. There is only one screw you use to fix a motherboard. Other screw will come with this plate. Okay, so top area there's one flex from mirror system. careful, it should be properly inserted. Okay, and then lock. Okay, now next is we're going to solder these wires. Okay, we noted earlier when removing this one, so we take a picture of these wires. So this one is black, this one is red, black, red, and then top one is blue, and then orange. Okay, so we're going to solder. First we make a ball of solder. This is a very small solder, so we'll make a new ball. Okay, then we make two ball more. Okay, when you're soldering these wires, be careful, do not touch your soldering iron with these flex. Sometimes it will touch with this flex, and the flex, this is gold contact, you see the flex have a gold contact, so this will connected with the soldering wire or soldering paste. So be careful when soldering this part, be careful, do not touch these flex with soldering iron. Okay, that's it. These area is completed, so we put our next part is this one is top circuit. Okay, so one wire is also broken, this wire is from there, We clean each and every flex with contact cleaner. Okay, so that will be much better. We clean all the contacts with cotton bud and contact cleaner. Okay, so there is a connector. This connector will connect with this. Okay, this area is complete. Then now we're going to fix the top. Okay, there is also flex. This flex will connect with this. Okay, so missing. The wire should be from this. These wires come from this, and two wires broken. So we first solder these wires. Okay, so these wires come from this direction. Okay, so we'll fix this flex. Okay. these all wire come from this direction, okay, and the black one is soldering this area. At this position we can even check the camera if it's working or not. We can check it without assembling back plate and LCD panel. We can check this camera. So see, now camera is on. I'm clicking the camera. Camera is working. See, so you can show that camera is working properly. So you assemble the rear panel and everything, okay, with confidently that camera is working properly. So if you need to open again and something wrong with assembling, you can open from this area. You as you fix from this halfway to assemble. So when you check it, it's free of mind. So we are going to put the top screws right on right. We put, when we open the camera, we each and every screw with separately we fix, so it's easy to fix a camera. So these wires should be careful. There's a capacitor. This time is not charged, but when you open the camera, be careful, discharge this capacitor also. So there's one screw. This screw is we check it again. screw when it tighten, we check twice. Sometimes we lose any of this one of screws, so we check and check again. Normally we open the camera and see the other screws, so we also check the screws whether anything is loosened or not. So this camera is not very much used, slightly used camera. So okay. So there is a tape. Three screw, 1, 2, 3 also. Okay, so 2. Use one screw. Be careful when you're putting, check these buttons are working and properly place. Okay, this one is working, this one is working. So we put two screws. There is a two, one is small and two, one is big. sometime the flex is not connected properly, so reopen again and then check. Low battery, so we are going to change the battery. Battery is not okay. So the problem was a battery, so its display is on, camera is working, so we're going to final assembling. Okay, the last part is be careful when putting these screw. These screws should be small because there's inside the battery compartment. Sometime if you put a big screw, that will be cross this area and tighten the battery. So these screws are very small and are in other cameras also. So there is one more screw inside one screw. Last part. All wires should be in proper area because any wire can press or something, so that will be disconnected. Okay. Going to fix the lens. Focus properly, it will focus. Okay, so check. Okay, so that's it. Camera is completely fixed. We changed the shutter and now it's working properly. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you again, and please do subscribe if you learn if you want to learn how to repair a camera. So we have, inshallah, next episode. Okay, thank you for watching again.